Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Deadass Disco game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game language. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Deadass Disco on your device. And if you're playing for the first time, you will be taken through the introduction level. You can pause your game within this as well. And once you are inside the pause menu, go ahead and click on settings. Now from the settings page, click on gameplay. And within the gameplay tab, you will find the text language at the very beginning. Click on the left and right arrows to cycle through the languages that are available. After you have found your desired language, you can simply click on the back button, which will save your changes. Once your language has been applied, you can continue to play your game right away. If your game is in a language that you don't understand, then when you pause your game, you will need to go into the third option. Then from this page, go into the very first menu, and then you can use the very first option to cycle through the languages. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your in-game language on the Deadass Disco game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.